Now this game was a good, honest, ass kicking right here. I'm the blacks, he's the whites. He starts out with the pawn. Kind of weak move when you can move two. He's bringing out that queen. Really dumb to bring out your queen so soon. So easy to kick her back. He's bringing out his knight. Now I'm kicking his back his queen. What the hell was sacrifice? Bushwalk pores. I'm looking to ear his rook. You see right here? I'm looking to do that, put his king in check, and ear his rook. See, why do I call it earing his rook? Because this is his face right here. If my chest setup is my face and his chest setup is his face, if I excise his rook, it looks like I cut off either his left ear or his right ear. So I call it earing his rook. No, but he's not stupid. So I move him a pawn. He kicks back my knight, swaps the bishop for my knight. Now he's looking to ear my rook right here, if he can move his pawn. So I better be careful. Kick back his knight. Protecting his knight with his rook. So I can move my rook to freedom without having to sacrifice one of these two pieces potentially. Go ahead, move that damn pawn. I'll dick up that bishop. I didn't like sacrificing, but you know. I didn't like that, but you know. That knight's scaring me. Well, let's swap. He said no. I'm looking at this pawn. The second he moves his pawn right there, I'm gonna eat his bishop for free. What the hell? What's sacrifice? Yep. He brought his rook down to take his pawn, but what he didn't see was this. I put his king in check. He has nowhere to go but down. So I check him and take his pawn and protect my pawn. Real stupid ass move. Stupid! He moves right there. Let him take. I'll sacrifice my one pawn for two of his pawns. And now he's in the Kiwi roll. Protect my pawn. Now he's getting the short end of the dick. I'm sick here. He's trying to threaten my rook. Oh no, hell no! I ain't taking. Now if he takes my pawn with his knight, I'm gonna dick up his rook, and he's gonna be at a real disadvantage. If he takes my rook with his rook, I'm gonna get another queen. So basically, this guy, and if he doesn't do jack shit, he's gonna lose his rook. Real dumbass move. Looking to take his pawn. He's protecting his pawn. Moving my king just in case he moves his knight right here or here. Looking to take his pawn and if he for free. Check. That is a real stupid move. Here's what I'm looking to do. If he doesn't move his king, I'm gonna move my knight down here, put him in check, and dick up his pawn. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. He's really fucking up here. No, I do not dare take this pawn. If I take this pawn with my rook, he's going to move right here, fork my king and my rook, which would be right there. Move my king right here, because if you diagonally 2 squares from a knight, the knight cannot put you in check again. And checkmate. I didn't expect this to move to win, but he broke like a porcelain doll. He cannot move anywhere. Here, the knight gets him. Here, the pawn gets him. Here, the knight. Here, the pawn. So I fucked his hole. I fucked him.